What's good, boys and girls? This your boy King Mark the Fresh Boy. Today's video that I'm gonna react to a cop video. You don't know what time it is, so it's just a little something on the internet that I came across on YouTube, and I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna save this and watch this and let y'all see my reaction and let y'all see the video that I'm reacting to. So yeah, so to me, I don't really gonna say too much. You already know what time it is. Just hit me up on TikTok, help your brother out on TikTok, and do short videos as well. So yes, so if you're new to the channel, make sure that like, subscribe, turn back on, comment below, and share friend and family, and don't forget that subscribe and go help the channel out, and hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Show your boys some love, all boys and girls. So let's get to it with this video. So man punch officer, then jump off a balcony to avoid jail. Wow. That's crazy.
He just jumped off the third-story ledge after punching me in the face.
Man.
On July 30th, 2024, in Stoughton, Wisconsin, officers were dispatched to the report of a male, Anthony, being violent with a woman, later known to be his girlfriend, on an apartment balcony. Officers responded in an emergency manner.
Oh wow. But those nice apartments out there. I'll bang on that door. Bang, officer. There you go.
Why you beat on my door?
Because you didn't answer the door when I knocked.
Okay, I'm answering now. What's up?
All right.
Okay, rudeness. Got a little attitude.
He hit me in my face. He
Okay.
me.
All right, hold on. Why don't you step over there and talk with my partner?
Yeah, he
Why don't you tell me
look
what's
like
going
a
on from
woman
your
beater.
side? Can I come in and talk to you?
She said what she said.
This is your house? Okay, let's do this way.
I don't want him here. He gotta go.
All right.
So you
Let's step outside.
So you can lie like that, man?
Look at my face.
What, look at your face, man.
All right.
Erica, like for real, bro.
Go ahead and shut the door. Go ahead and shut the door.
I'm finna sit there and lock.
Hold on.
Bro, come
Stop.
on, bro. For real, bro.
Stop or you're going to go in handcuffs.
I'm fuck. Bro, come on, bro. Bro, look at me. Come on, bro. Erica, come on, bro. Come on, Erica. Erica, come on.
Stop.
I don't care.
Stop resisting.
Erica, come on.
Stop resisting.
See, he don't want to go to jail. You know.
So you want to see my kids like that?
He already had the attitude already. Oh. What the freak?
He just jumped off the third-story ledge after punching me in the face.
Yo. But that apartment big.
Just stay here. Keep the doors closed. Somebody will be back right here.
That's nice inside. But yo,
Let's ready to go. Okay, grab a car.
He tired. Officer
I'm gonna see
tired.
if I can spot him on foot. I won't catch him, but
Additional officers would arrive on scene to aid the search for Anthony, but it was ultimately unsuccessful. An officer then returned to the apartment to interview his girlfriend, who stated the fight began when she told Anthony she no longer wanted his children that did not belong to her at her apartment. Anthony had been drinking at the time and became verbally and physically aggressive in response. Later that day, the police department received a report that Anthony had returned, leading to the following altercation.
Ah!
stop! Get on the ground right now!
All right, bro.
Right now. Hands behind your back.
I'm tired of running. I'm not gonna lie.
You got more charge now.
I've been drinking, man.
You got anything on you, man?
No, I don't have anything, bro.
Okay. Are you hurt?
Rifle officer,
Okay.
that's
Your
a
legs don't hurt
charge.
or anything?
Hidden officer. That also
I
a
just been drinking,
charge.
bro. I've been drinking like a month, bro.
Anything on you, man?
No, bro, I had anything, bro. I just been drinking heavily, bro. If you can smell the liquor on me, gang.
Alright. I'll put your knee there.
Like, I don't know. I don't remember anything after that, gang. I
Ready?
swear to God. I don't remember anything.
Pop on up.
Are you hurt at all? You jumped from the floor.
I don't remember that. I've been drinking, bro. Like, you can smell it.
So
Alcohol on
nothing
me.
hurts on you?
No.
No, take him to the hospital.
I'm
Man,
I'm
not
gonna go ahead and double off these so they don't.
I mean, you remember what he
I'm
did.
not hurt, officers. How you feeling, man?
I'm alright.
All right.
Why'd you ask?
Huh?
I said, why'd you ask?
Because you was just running very heavy. You breathing kind of hard. Out of everybody in this group right now, you breathing kind of hard.
Gotta haul a little more weight around when I run than you do.
Yeah.
You got anything in this pocket, man? What's
with this-
What's with this guy?
I don't have
Oh,
anything,
just a
bro.
tag?
Trust me, I'm not, bro.
All right.
I'm really a family man, bro. Like, I got too drunk, bro, and that's it, bro. I really just got too drunk. You can smell the alcohol on my breath.
What you been drinking? We'll go this way.
Patron, bro.
Patron?
I've been
Tequila,
mixing.
huh?
Yeah, I've been mixing. You know how? You know that? You know that devil, bro. Come on, man.
I know that cheap.
Exactly, bro. Like I ain't, man.
Expensive drink. Better nice out
You
there.
jump from the top up there, dude?
Man, look at me, man. Don't you see me? Look at me, man. Don't you see me,
What'd you
man?
land on? I wasn't here.
These.
I'm both. Don't do that. All right,
Look at that.
walk.
Come on,
walk
man.
normal, man.
Come on, man. This some life.
I need to tell my family we need to go out there then. Where that at? Cause it look nice way out there. Beautiful too. Look at the grass. The grass being cut.
But I just made it worse.
Yeah, you sure did
Drunk.
make it
I'm not
worse.
gonna lie. I'm drunk as hell, man. I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
Not illegal to be drunk, right?
I'm drunk, bro. Don't you see this heat, bro? Like, come on, man. I'm drunk, man. Don't you smell the liquor on my breath, bro?
I do.
I'm drunk, bro.
Yeah, we
Like anything I did before this, bro, like I didn't mean to. I'm drunk. I'm drunk, bro.
You got no pain, though, they're saying? What you're saying?
I probably got a little pain in my right ankle, bro, but that's it. But I'm
Right
just,
ankle?
yeah, I'm
Like
just
what-
drunk.
Yeah, but that, I'm not trying to shine you, but what,
Right here, bro. You can see in my eyes, bro. I am drunk, bro.
I understand.
Bro, so anything I done did prior to this, bro, I am drunk. It's just mixed emotions, bro. Like I'm not a bad guy, bro.
That's all stuff we report.
Once you see my record, bro, you can see I haven't been in trouble in so long. I'm just drunk. I'm not a drinker, bro. I'm not.
Why are you drinking tonight, then?
I got personal issues, bro. I swear to God, bro. I got personal problems, bro. Like
We're gonna talk about all that, okay? I'm gonna reach around. Just go ahead and look at me.
man.
Go ahead and look
I'm
at me,
drunk,
okay?
bro. Look in my eyes, bro. Like I've been drinking.
Your foot.
I don't even know how y'all didn't catch me the first time. I'm drunk as.
I wasn't out here, but I'm not fast, anyways.
I'm drunk,
I'll be
bro.
honest with you.
I'm drunk.
So your ankle kind of hurts.
It's
Your
kinda
right
hurt.
ankle,
It's kinda
and you're drunk, so it might hurt more than it kind of. But right
I'm
now,
drunk.
it's
So
only
if I sober up, bro, it might. I don't
Okay.
know. Right now, I'm just drunk.
okay. Sounds good, man.
Contrary to his claims, Anthony did not in fact have a clean record, having been caught and convicted driving with a revoked license 4 days prior. Anthony was then transported to the hospital for medical clearance, where he was further uncooperative and disruptive, before finally being booked into the Dane County Jail. He was charged with battery with a domestic assessment modifier, battery to a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer causing substantial bodily harm. However, he only was found guilty on one count of resisting or obstructing an officer. He was sentenced to 60 days in the local jail and had to pay more than $360. Please consider showing your support by liking this video if you want to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis.
Well, you ain't a clean record, cause your record is oof. What did it say? Man, if he got custody of his kids, imagine what the mother must be like. 10 bucks, same dude got no job, no car, no nothing. He in ASS hole, even without the alcohol. First time ever saw someone trying to prove he's been drinking. Wait, what? He found guilty on one releasing. Oh, I said right, releasing.
Resist.
Oh, resist. Wait, what? He found guilty on only resist. So the cop punched himself. What a joke! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow, that video was kind of short though. You know what I'm saying? Talking about he got clean record. The officer find you got a whole lot of records. Sure, but to me though, it's crazy though. I know the video was gonna be something else. Shoot, but hey, he said he been drinking. Yeah, you drunk, alright. Shoot. But too many boys are gonna wrap this video up. So if you made it to the end of the video, make sure that like, subscribe, tell me that, comment below, and share with your family. And don't forget that subscribe button will help the channel lots. And hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Sure, boys and love. Alright, boys and girls. So I will see y'all next time. Deuces.